Hello guys, this is how you build a PC. Of course, motherboard already installed because I don't want to go through the hassle of that. The fans are right there. So this is pretty much like the PSU, hard drives and all that. Motherboard, it's really easy. All you have to do is, like, there's a screw here, here, and there's two back there. The RAM is very easy, CPU sync is very easy, and yeah guys, so I'll be back right when I have all this stuff done and ready to go. Alright, sorry for the lighting. Jesus, focus. Yeah, sorry for the lighting and all, but yeah, you can see I do have the motherboard installed already. Next, I think I'll do the PSU. I'll probably save the GPU for last. Okay, so for this, it's very easy. You can't see, but the GPU cycle is like right about there. Or GPU. PSU. So I just had to get the PSU. It does come with like a little bracket. Right here. A little bracket that goes on it. And that just screws on, like, just on the back of the case. And you have the CPU on. Or, PSU, I'm sorry guys, I'm screwing up. I'll be right back when I have, like, the PSU ready to be installed. Okay, you guys can see, well, you guys can see, like, there's a yellow piece right there. There's, like, the on and off switch. The bracket is not on, but you can see that. That's how the PSU goes. It just slides right in there. That is what she said. Just kind of slides right in there, and I'll show you how the bracket goes here, if I could find it. Alright, so I'm sorry for not uploading when I installed the PSU bracket and everything. But what happens, my PC's not picking up the internet, my internet. As you see, it has onboard Wi-Fi. I can't really see it, but there's a little chip right there. Yeah, that's why I haven't been doing it. I know excuses, but yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading that much. It kind of sucks. I'm sorry, you probably just held my floor for a while there. So yeah, bracket just kind of goes on there. I'm just holding on, but you screw it on with a screwdriver. And, yeah, I'll be back when I have this screwed in. There it is. That's just the PSU. There's 4 screws. One right here. Or 8 screws, sorry. One right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. Supposedly one right there, but I didn't put it in. One's right here. One's right here. Yeah, and how those screw in. Sorry for the close shot of, like, I guess the USB 3. I don't know, it's the eSATA. The screws just go in like how a regular screw go in, and it's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Oh yeah, sorry, I am using my phone for this, so it's probably, well, I should record like this. I'm super sorry, guys. Struggling to put a screwdriver on the thing. On the screw. There. And it'll just twist in kind of like this. And yeah, that's how you install the PSU. And the whole back's really installed right now. So, let's just flip the case this way. Alright, so now what's next? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. This is a hard drive bay for, like, SATAs. And there's usually a hard drive right now. Sorry, there's a, can't think of the name. Little hard drives. There's usually one right there. Sorry, right there. Sorry about there. I'm not putting that in right now. So I'm trying to get this, like, decently lighted for you guys. So now all you have to do is take, there's like a USB 3.0 right there. You just take this, plug that in there. Your switch, I don't know which one this is. That just plugs in, like, over here. This all depends on your motherboard, so I'm actually gonna skip it. Because, or not skip it, but I'm gonna cut it because it depends all on your motherboard and what your motherboard is, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, sorry guys, I'm so sorry about this lighting. This is how you, like, set it up, I guess. So now all you have to do is plug in the hard drives and plug in the little ports the case comes with. I'll be back when I do that. And the hard drives go like right here, since I don't have the big ones. Sorry, that's what she said. But and also those cables. But Yeah, I'm sorry for the lighting, guys.